Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our... Jamaica isn't just a land of reggae and sprinting legends. It's also home to some of the most compelling family YouTube creators on the internet. These channels bring real Jamaican life, culture, food, and connection directly to millions of viewers worldwide. Today, we're taking you inside 6 of these influential family channels, from big-hearted vlogs to off-grid kitchens, and showing what makes each one a must-watch. The first one on the list, the Carters, a modern Jamaican diaspora family. First up, the Carter family. This channel follows a Jamaican family sharing everyday life moments, travel vlogs, and fun family content that resonates with audiences looking for authenticity and heart. From cooking with the kids to adventure vlogs and candid conversations, the Carters have built a close-knit community of subscribers who tune in for real-life family experiences. Their content blends cultural heritage, family humor, and relatable parenting moments, making the Carters a standout in lifestyle and family vlogging. Next up, we have Meet the Mitchells, celebrity family plus real-life vlogs. If you haven't heard of Meet the Mitchells, you're missing one of the biggest Jamaican family channels. Fronted by music and entertainment personalities Tammy and Wayne Marshall Mitchell, this channel brings together a large blended family, their children, extended relatives, and everyday moments that feel like you're right there with them. From morning routines to big family outings and candid sit-downs, Meet the Mitchells combines celebrity roots with genuine family storytelling, and it's one of the channels that helped shape the Jamaican family vlog space. Next, we shine a light on the Greens family, genuine Jamaican lifestyle vlogs, a YouTube channel filmed around authentic Jamaican family life. With a large subscriber base and millions of accumulated views, the Greens share their day-to-day farming with us and bring us energy, laughs, and real interactions with relatable family dynamics. Whether it's everyday breakfast, prep, or family celebrations, this channel showcases the real joy and real challenges of raising a family while connected with their viewers like old friends. Next up, we have the Powells, from track to family travels. One of the most unique families on our list is the Powells, led by Olympic sprint legend Asafa Powell and his wife Alicia. This channel gives fans a look into life beyond the track. What started as a glimpse into family life has grown into a travel-filled vlog, where culture, sports, and parenting blend with the day-to-day experiences of raising children in the public eye. Travel, celebrations, and candid moments make this an uplifting watch for anyone interested in family lifestyle content. Number 5 on the list, Jamaican Nature Kitchen, off-grid life and root-to-table culture. Switching gears, yet staying deeply rooted in Jamaican culture, is Jamaican Nature Kitchen. This channel takes viewers into a completely different lifestyle, living off-grid in Portland, Jamaica. From harvesting herbs and roots to preparing real idle meals and natural living tutorials, Jamaican Nature Kitchen has attracted hundreds of thousands of views from curious audiences around the world. Here, food isn't just sustenance, it's culture, tradition, survival, and connection with the land. It's a reminder of roots, literally and figuratively. Next up, we have the Virgos, music, family, and faith. This is a family-focused channel featuring reggae star Romain Virgo and his wife Elizabeth, along with their children. Romain Virga is already celebrated in Jamaica for his reggae contributions, and on YouTube, the family adds another layer, showcasing travel, music feed, and everyday adventures. Whether they're sharing big family moments, local trips, or uplifting experiences, the Virgos blend celebrity lifestyle with real-world family connection. Here's why these channels matter. From family vlogs and travel diaries to off-grid cooking and celebrity life behind the scenes, these channels prove one thing: Jamaican YouTube isn't a niche, it's a movement. Through authenticity, culture, and heart, these creators bring Jamaica to the world, one viewer at a time. Thanks for watching. If you want more inside stories like these, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.